Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aiman Cahyani Lubis. My student number 2301847. Here I will presentation about procedure text. The definition of procedure text. Procedure text is a text aiming to inform the readers about the steps to do something. It starts with how to, uh, for example, like how to operate or how to make something. And the second is generic structures. The first is aim or goal. The first thing in writing a procedural text is the aim or goal, which means the purpose. Usually, this goal is stated in the title, indicating the purpose of creating the text. It gives context and purpose, helping the reader to understand why they are undertaking the task. And the second is ingredients materials. For writing ingredients or materials is useful for explaining what ingredients or tools are used to make something in the procedural text. The materials could include tools, equipment, or other supplies. For example, if you are assembling a piece of furniture, this section would list all the required parts and tools like screws, nails, a hammer, etc. And for ingredients, in a cooking context, this refers to all the food items and quantities needed to prepare a dish. It's like shopping for your recipe, ensuring you have everything you need to start cooking. And the third is steps or methods. In this section contains the steps needed to achieve the goal of the procedural text, or provides a detailed step-by-step guide on how to achieve the aim or goal. It breaks down the task into manageable parts, often in a chronological or logical order. And the next is the language features of procedure text. The first is use simple present. Simple present tense is used to describe a situation that is happening simultaneously with the ongoing activity. And the second is imperative sentence. We use imperative sentence because we need to explain several steps. So we should use imperative sentence. The example like mix, stir, boil, add, turn on, get, and others. The third is use adverb. To provide information about time or duration in procedural text. Example like slowly, fastly, rapidly, powerfully, in 5 minutes, or for an hour, and etc. And the last for the language features is use connective or conjunction. The steps or instruction in procedural text in English are arranged sequentially, so from one step to the next they use connectives or conjunctions. The example like first, second, after that, then, finally, and the last, and etc. For example, as you see how to make fried rice. The ingredients: 2 cloves of garlic, 2 onions cut into small pieces, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, a plate of rice, some salt, and some salt. For the steps: first, pound garlic and 2 pinches of salt. Second, heat vegetable oil on a frying pan. Third, put the pounded garlic, salt, and onions into the hot vegetable oil. Fry them for a while. Fourth, put 1 plate of rice. Fry and mix them for around 3 minutes. Fifth, add 2 pinches of salt. Continue frying until the rice is not enough. Finally, put the fried rice on a plate. Serve with a sunny side up. From the general structure, the aim or the goal is how to make fried rice, and the ingredients or materials is this is the cloves, 2 cloves of garlic, the 2 onions cut into small pieces until some salt. And for the steps or methods, it's from first pound garlic and 2 pinches of salt until finally put the fried rice on a plate. Serve with a sunny side up. Uh, and for the language feature, and for the language feature, the simple present tense is put add 2 pinches of salt. For the imperative is fry and mix them. The fry and mix them is the imperative. Adverb is for around 3 minutes. And for the conjunction or connectives is made like finally or first, second, and continue, and etc. So I think that's all from me. Atina. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.